Hazardous substances can be used in or created by construction processes. Using hazardous substances without proper controls in place can damage your health. This talk covers risk assessments, hazards, control measures, and safe use of substances. Risk assessment. A competent person must carry out a risk assessment to decide whether a less hazardous substance could be used, exposure to a substance could be avoided, alternative work methods could reduce exposure, and many of the substances used in construction have the potential to cause harm. Hazards. Your health could be affected by a hazardous substance through ingestion, eating food contaminated with the substance, inhalation, breathing in harmful dust or fumes, injection, sharp objects or high pressure fluids, absorption, chemicals entering through cuts. Examples of hazardous substances on construction sites include contaminated ground, cement, hardwood dust, concrete admixtures, solvent fumes, resins, epoxy-based paints, welding fumes, asbestos. Don't mix chemicals or substances unless you are following a safe and authorised process. Control measures. Follow your employer's safe system of work and the risk assessment for each substance. When using hazardous substances, wear the correct PPE if required. Know how to look after and use your PPE correctly. Ensure hazardous substances are put back into a secure location after use. Do not leave them on site. Safe use of substances. Make sure you are trained to use hazardous substances. Comply with the Control of Substances Hazardous to Health (COSHH) assessment in the instructions on the product label. Don't eat, drink or smoke when handling the substance. Don't expose others to fumes, dust, gas or other dangers from hazardous substances. Wash your hands when you have finished using a product before using another product, before eating or smoking at the end of your shift. Before using a substance, what should you consider? Name 4 ways a substance can enter your body. Where should substances be put at the end of a shift? Where can you obtain information from about the substances you are using? What can you wear to protect yourself against substances? Name 5 hazardous substances you may find on site.